You don't need six-figure capital to start your own US real estate business. Let me show you how you can get started with just $10,000 US. Hi, I'm Raul Syed from Noble Sky International. My company has been helping hundreds of investors all across Asia to earn great returns with US real estate. One of our clients from Singapore, Ms. Rubini, managed to earn a return of 34.2% from her flip property and 16.6% yield from her rental property. I'm sure most of you savvy investors out there know that when you compare all other investment platforms, real estate comes up to one of the most stable investment platforms out there, especially US real estate. The reason boils down to these 3 points. Number one, you can get properties 20 to 30% off their market value, which means you're getting it cheaper than anybody else. Number two, the returns, as you can see in Ms. Rubini's case, is double-digit returns, which means more returns for you with the same amount of investment if you were to invest in a property regionally. Number three, anybody can invest in US real estate. The US have no restrictions whatsoever on foreign nationals owning US properties, which means you can be from anywhere around the world and own your own US properties. With that being said, that's why we're having our free workshop here in Singapore. Held in Holiday Inn Singapore, you will discover how you can start your own US real estate business. We are going to reveal, number one, how you can start at just $10,000 US. Number two, how you can avoid all the high taxes in the US that you probably have heard about. And number three, how you can source for the cheapest available property in the US that you can own almost immediately. And the best part, how you can do it all without stepping foot on US soil. Another one of our clients that we help, Dato Sri Paul Chong from Malaysia, sold off his properties that we help him acquire for a return of between 30 to 59%. You can be our next case study. Come join us at Holiday Inn Singapore, where we reveal all the hidden secrets and strategies that we have used to get results for ourselves and also for our clients. Did I mention that the workshop is also free? Yep, it's available to you at no cost at all. And to make it even more worth your time, we are giving away 3 pairs of return tickets to the US worth at least $3,000 for you to join us on a tour to see how we acquire the properties with the strategies that you learn in the workshop. Click the link below to join us for the event and we'll see you there.